Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is equations. This is chapter number 8. This is the first video on this chapter. So before start of the equation chapter, we will know what do you mean by equation. The definition of equation says that sentences that contain the equal sign. Sentences that contain the equal signs are called equations. And the equations have one left hand side, another is right hand side. So see here, x minus 2 equal to 7. So here x minus 2 is in the left hand side and 7 is in the right hand side. So in an equation, in an algebraic equation, an unknown quantity is there, constants are there and equal signs are there, also some operators are there. Look at this example, x minus 2 equal to 7. Here equal sign is present and this is x minus 2 is the left hand side and 7 is the right hand side. Here unknown quantity or variable is there, that is x, and these are the constant, 2 and 7 are constant, and here minus is there, minus is the operator. So here operator is there, equal sign is there, variable is there and constant is there. So this is called equations or algebraic equations. Well, now in this chapter we are going to solve the unknown quantity, value of unknown quantity. We have to find out the value of unknown quantity. So look at this example, x minus 2 equal to 7. Here x is the unknown quantity, so we have to find out the unknown quantity. So how to cancel this? See, x is attached with minus 2. First step is how to cancel the minus 2. So means if you add plus 2 with this left hand side, the value of minus 2 will be cancelled, because minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. So let's add x minus 2 plus 2. So I am adding plus 2 in left hand side. Similarly, I have to add same plus 2 in right hand side also. So 7 plus 2. I am adding plus 2 in the right hand side also. So here plus 2 and minus 2 are cancelled. So which value we are getting now? We are getting here x equal to 7 plus 2, how much? That is 9. Okay. So in this way we are going to solve some questions based on this concept. So now look at here, solving mentally by inspection method. Suppose very small quantity are there, we know the value of calculation and we have to calculate by mentally or solving by mentally using by inspection. So what does it mean? So look at here, 4 plus 9 equal 4 plus n equal to 9. So here we see that 4 plus which number you have to add, we will get 9. So it is a very small number, so we can calculate 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So that number will be 5. So mentally we are calculating that n equal to 5. Okay, this is called solving by mentally. So which number should be added to 4? We will get 9, that is 5. Look at this example here, 1 upon 4x, that is same as x upon 4. That means x is divided with 4. You will get 5. So which number will be divided with 4? You will get 5. What is that number? That number will be 20. If 20 will be divided with 4, definitely you will get 5. That means which number that is? That x will be 20. So this is the way how to solve by mentally. Okay. So to solving an equation, we need some methods. So what are these methods? Let us discuss. The first method is solving equations by using inverse operations. So what are operations? You know that plus, minus, division, into are called operations. So what are inverse operations? That means opposite of this. When plus is there, that is minus. When minus is there, then plus. When division is there, then into or multiplication. When multiplication is there, then division. These are called inverse operations. That means these symbols are used in the equations, and using the inverse operations symbol we are going to solve the equation and find out the unknown quantity, okay, or the variable. So let us try some examples. Look at here, y plus 7 equal to 10. So here we see that we have to find out the value of y. So which value is attached to y? That is plus 7. So what to do here? We have to inverse this plus 7. We have to inverse this plus 7 so that we will get the value of y. So let's start. We write here y plus 7 is given. So if plus is there, what is the inverse operation? That is minus. So we write here minus 7. So plus 7, inverse of plus 7 is minus 7. Same minus 7 we have to add in the right hand side also. So that is 10 minus 7. So what is the value we are getting now? See, plus 7 and minus 7 both are cancelled, and we are getting here y equal to 10 minus 7. How much? That is 3. So we are getting y equal to 3. Now let us see this example. Here it is given x minus 6 equal to 2. We have to inverse this minus 6 so that we will get the value of x. So what to write here? X minus 6. So minus 6 have to be inversed. When minus 6 have to be inversed, that means minus inverse of minus is plus. So we write here plus 6. The same plus 6 will be added in the right hand side also. So what we will get here? Equal to 2 plus 6. Here minus 6 and plus 6 are cancelled. So what value we are getting here? X equal to, that is 8. We are getting x equal to 8. Now look at this example. Phi p equal to 30. Here p is multiplied with 5 or 5 is multiplied with p, and the value of p is the unknown quantity. We have to find out the value of p. So here we are observe that 5 is multiplied with p. So when multiplication is there, which inverse operation will apply? That is division. Okay. So here we have to divide the same quantity, that is 5 here plus 5. We have to divide here 5. Okay. When multiplication is there, we have to divide inverse of multiplication is division. So here divide 5 here. Similarly, in the right hand side also, which quantity is there? 30. In 30 we have to divide 5. So 30 divide 5. Okay. Then here 5 will be cancelled because 5 divided 5 will be 1. So which value you are getting now? P equal to, that is 30 divided 5 how much? That is 6. So it will be 6. So we are getting here P equal to, value of P is 6. Now look at this example here. Here 6 is divided with n. Okay. N is the unknown quantity and 6 is divided with n. So what to do here? If division operation is there, then according to the rule, which inverse operation? That is into or multiply. So here we have to multiply same 6 with this left hand side. So when 6 is multiplied in the left hand side, we have to multiply the 6 in the right hand side also. So we are getting here 6 cancel. So we are getting n equal to 8 6 are 48. Okay. So a value is here 48. Look at this here. Example, t plus 9 equal to minus 7. So here the plus 9 is attached to t. So what is the inverse operation of plus? That is minus. So we have to do minus 9 here, or t plus 9 and minus 9 will be added. Same minus 9 will be added to the right hand side also. That is minus 7 minus 9. Okay. Or plus 9 minus 9 to be cancelled. So t equal to how much? Minus 7 minus 9, that is minus 16. When we will add minus with minus, the value will also minus will come, and 7 plus 9 is 16. So minus 16 is the value of t. Okay.